vlog. We're back. I am currently in my room just packing because tomorrow morning I'm going to New York. I'm taking the train to go see my brother. He's moving apartments, so gonna go help him move and all that jazz. So catch you there. So we're here in New York because Greer is moving apartments. He's going from Bushwick to Greenpoint. So I'm here to help him. So today we're just doing like a little walk around, shopping around, just gonna find some things. And then on Monday we're gonna move everything in. Don't step on the shit. And yeah, we never know what we're gonna find, but we'll keep you updated on that. So we out here with our ring light. It's crazy, but we're having a little drink and a tube. And so what we gotta do, listen to the music. We're at a Dunkin' Donuts, getting some breakfast, coffee, all the essentials for the day. Okay. Packing up this crazy room so we can move to a new place. Don't leave me alone. So guys, we are out here in the snow. Why did it have to snow on the move-in day? Struggling. All this luggage, and it's not even everything. They weigh like 800 pounds. So, everything's a mess. We're sweating, but it's fucking 3 degrees. And once we get into the apartment, I'll show you what it looks like. But right now, we just have to figure out how the hell to get up 3 flights of stairs with all this luggage. So, catch ya. All right, we're gonna update you vlog. We moved everything in. We're gonna show you once we get the rest of the stuff. But there's a subway stop right near Greer's place in Greenpoint that's just easy to hop on and then to transfer to the other train to go back to his old place to get the rest of the stuff. But obviously there's a fire, someone started a fire down in the train station. So now there's black smoke coming up from it and so many ambulances. And so now we're just here walking fucking 15 minutes to another station in this gorgeous weather. And yeah, it's that's the life we live. We never out. We can't do anything normal. Yeah, hands are freezing because we didn't have any gloves, and so we're just we weren't prepared for this. But we are gonna make it through. Little apartment tour, living room, nice kitchen, cute, the crazy blizzard outside. Obviously it's the day we move, so that's fun. And then Greer's room, and it's a mess. We have so much luggage. And we got all here finally, and yeah, we're gonna go get some food at Whole Foods. So we have something to eat, and then we're gonna unpack all these bags. So we walked all the way to Whole Foods so Greer could cook his eggs. Yeah, eggs a la Francais. We walked all the way to Whole Foods, which is probably a 15-minute walk or so, and they're not open because of the snow. So we walked all the way back, and yeah, I have hat hair, but I got a little coffee, making some food because we're so hungry. This is the gorge kitchen. And it's a blizzard of 98. Yo, so we took the train to Soho to like do a little walk around, do a little shopping, and everything is closed there because it's like the snow, but it's really not that bad. Like they paved the streets and the sidewalks, so it's like they were acting like it's a blizzard of 1982, but I don't know. We're just gonna walk around, see what's good, see what's up with the city. Hey vlog. So I left my brother in Brooklyn and now I'm on my way to Jersey City just to see my friend Ben, get some dinner, see him. So I'm waiting for the path right now to get me to Jersey City.
Elevator is at the rear of the platform.
Good morning. So I am currently at the new train station in New York. It's like, I'm not even trying to pronounce it. Moynihan, probably. Train hall, and just waiting for my train going back to Boston. So yeah, this is probably the end of my New York vlog, but thanks for watching.